Hey, welcome to the course. My name is Ardit and I'm excited to guide you through your journey to becoming a Python developer. In this video, I want to discuss with you your learning path, your Python learning path to make sure you succeed. So we have prepared a PDF infographic which you can download from the lecture resources, and I'm going to go through this PDF to discuss all the learning path options with you to make sure that you are following the correct learning path. But before we discuss your learning path, allow me to provide you with an overview of the course structure. So the course covers Python comprehensively, starting from the very basics up to advanced Python concepts, and we always use real-world examples to explain every feature of the language. That makes sure that you not only learn the syntax of Python, but also the logic behind programming. So we will start with the Python basics, which are beginner-friendly, so if you are an absolute beginner, this course is also for you. You will build applications throughout the course, so every concept is explained in the context of a real-world application. So we'll start with app 1, which is a to-do list app, and this is the exact to-do list application that we will build together, and that's part of Python basics. That to-do list app spans across 20 days, so 20 different sections. And then we'll build application 2, which is a portfolio website where you can showcase your Python projects. You will continue practicing Python by building app 3 and app 4, which are part of the Python intermediate category. So by app 4, you will have solid Python skills, and then you can specialize in more advanced concepts such as using APIs and building APIs, data analysis and visualization, web scraping. So we're still in app 10. You will learn object-oriented programming, also known as OOP, building a hotel booking app. Then you'll dive into SQL databases and graphical user interfaces. You will learn web development with Python using Flask and Django, building some fully featured websites with forms and admin interfaces, data science and machine learning as well, building a movie recommendation system, and also creating Python packages so that you can publish your code as a package and others can install and use your packages. So that was an overview of the course. Now let's discuss your learning paths. So you might be someone who wants to become a web developer, or you may want to build desktop GUIs, or you may want to use Python for data science and machine learning. Perhaps you want to be a freelancer doing web scraping or build APIs with Python. Perhaps you want to do text processing and use regular expressions and natural language processing, or just automate stuff. So these are different learning paths, but there is also a main path, which is what I recommend, and that's a general Python developer path, which means you want to take all the videos from the very first video to the very last one. As you can see, we have placed dots at the applications you want to stop if you want to take either of these learning paths. So the Python developer path stops at every single application, because each application will not only give you advanced specific skills about certain areas of Python, but will also solidify your core Python skills. So every application is an opportunity to practice and perfectionize your Python skills. However, if you are interested only in certain areas of Python, like becoming a web developer, you want to stop only at these apps. So you always want to stop at the first app, because that covers the Python basics. So every single path that you take, you want to do that first app. And then stop only at those apps, so watch only those videos where you see the dots. That's my recommendation, because those videos cover that specific area of Python. And once you have completed one of these paths, you'll be able to build your own applications in the future independently. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's why we have all these apps here in the course. So we build them together. If you get stuck, you can use the Q&A in the course. There are thousands and thousands of questions and answers by other students, and you can also ask your own questions there. So thanks a lot for following this. Let's start learning Python in the next video. See you there.